In this how-to video, I'm going to explain you some of the key features of the Epson SureColor P800, which is our top-of-the-range A2 desktop printer. The printer is ideal for professional photographers and artists who want to produce true-to-life photos on a range of media. It has a superior quality Ultra-Chrome HD 9-color inkset, with increased black density for better gradation and deepest blacks. 80 ml ink cartridges, a small footprint and high-quality modern design. The P800 offers easy operation thanks to a large 2.7-inch color touch panel. It guides the users through how to load different media types and enables them to easily switch between these before printing. A very important function is to change the black ink cartridges, because depending on the media you have inserted, you need to use Photo K or Matte K. This will be done with this button. And now the printer asks you if you want to change the photo ink to the matte ink, and click on Proceed if you want to. The P800 offers 3 different kinds of paper passes, which enables the user to switch between different kinds of media, such as photography glossy media with normal sheet feed, fine art media and posterboard media with front single sheet feed, and roll paper media up to 17 inches with the optional roll unit. For using high-quality photographic media, open the standard sheet feeder, put some of the media into its place, select the correct paper size and paper type, and then confirm with OK, and the device is ready to print. For loading fine art media, select the correct way of paper pass, fine art media, and you can read now on the display everything you need to know to proceed. First, open the rear support, open the front cover, push the open manual feed tray. Now you can use your fine art media, but please remember that the printable side needs to be up. Load the fine art media from the front, push it through. You can feel with your fingers if the media is in line with the front sheet. Now the printer is feeding the media into the print starting position. The SC-P800 printer also features a roll paper unit, which gives a high print format flexibility up to 17 inches in width, which is perfect for panoramic prints on formats such as banners and gallery wrap prints. I would like to show you now how to attach the optional roll unit to the SC-P800. Attach it at the back side of the printer to the yellow markings. Tighten the screws and it's finished. The optional roll unit is now attached to the printer. Take off the spindle and open the black one. Make sure that the gray side is always on the right side. And now feed the media into the rear paper tray. Wait a few seconds and you will hear the device working. The printer is now ready to use. Instead of eject and cut the media, you can also only cut the media in order to prepare your printer for the next panoramic print. Just click on Finished and the media will go back into the printing start position. Those are some of the key features of the Epson SureColor P800, which has, with its superior quality, one of the smallest footprint of any A2 printers in the market, and it fits everywhere where space is an issue, at home or in the studio.